Welcome to the Prime Age Health Hub. If you've ever walked into a room and forgotten why you were there, if names sometimes dance on the tip of your tongue, just out of reach, or if you just have this feeling that your mental spark isn't quite as bright as it used to be, then you are in exactly the right place. And what if I told you that one of the most powerful tools for repairing your brain cells and protecting your precious memories isn't found in a prescription bottle but in your fruit bowl? Even more astonishing, what if this repair work kicks into high gear, not when you're solving a crossword, but when you're fast asleep? Tonight, while you're dreaming, you could be actively healing your brain. Stick with me, because we're diving deep into the science and the stunning simplicity of nature's top 3 fruits for brain repair and memory preservation, specifically for us in our prime years. Now, let's talk about sleep for a moment, because it's the unsung hero of brain health. We often think of sleep as a time of shutdown, but for your brain, it's a time of intense renovation. Imagine a bustling city during the day, the streets are full, information is flying everywhere. Now imagine that city at night. That's when the cleanup crews come out the road. Crews repair the potholes, and the librarians file away all the day's events. That's your brain during deep sleep. It's flushing out toxins that build up during the day. It's consolidating memories, taking the highlights of your day and moving them from short-term storage into long-term memory banks. And most importantly for us, it's when neural repair and regeneration processes are most active. Your body uses this quiet time to fix what's been worn down. So the question becomes, what are we giving our bodies to work with during this critical repair window? Are we providing the raw materials for a patch job or for a truly transformative restoration? This is where our first incredible fruit comes in, and it's one you've probably enjoyed 1,000 times, the humble blueberry. But don't let its size fool you. This tiny fruit is a titan for your brain. Blueberries are absolutely loaded with a specific type of antioxidant called flavonoids, particularly one named anthocyanin, which gives them that beautiful deep blue-purple color. These anthocyanins are like special forces for your brain. They have this unique ability to cross the blood-brain barrier, that very selective security system that protects your brain. And once they're inside, they get to work. They settle in the hippocampus, the brain's central memory headquarters, a region that we know can be vulnerable as we age. What do they do there? They reduce inflammation. Chronic, low-level inflammation in the brain is like a slow-burning fire that damages cells and disrupts communication. Blueberries help douse that fire. They also improve communication between brain cells. Think of your neurons like trees with branches that need to touch to pass along signals. Blueberries help those branches grow and connect more effectively. And perhaps most magically, they stimulate something called neurogenesis, the creation of new brain cells, even in adulthood, specifically in that memory-critical hippocampus. Studies have shown that older adults who consume blueberries regularly demonstrate significant improvements in memory function, sharper thinking, and even delayed cognitive aging. So, when you have a serving of blueberries, you're essentially sending in a nightly repair crew of tiny, powerful mechanics into your brain's control center, armed with the best tools to reduce rust, inflammation, rewire connection, and even install new equipment, all while you're drifting off to dreamland. But our journey through the fruit bowl for brain repair doesn't stop there. The second fruit is a tropical powerhouse, often called the king of fruits, and it brings a completely different but equally vital set of tools to your brain's overnight repair shop. I'm talking about the magnificent mango. Now, mangoes are spectacularly rich in a powerful antioxidant called mangiferanin. Mangiferanin is a superstar for brain health because of its profound anti-inflammatory and protective effects on your neurons, the brain's wiring. It specifically targets pathways in the brain that are linked to stress and aging. As we age, our cells, including brain cells, can accumulate what's called oxidative damage. Think of it like cellular rust from the wear and tear of living. Mangiferin is a master rust remover. It also enhances the production of a critical brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. You can think of BDNF as fertilizer for your brain. It's a protein that helps existing neurons stay healthy and strong, encourages the growth of new neurons and synapses, those crucial connection points, and it is absolutely essential for learning and memory. Low levels of BDNF are associated with cognitive decline. Mangoes, with their rich supply of mangiferin and other carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are also fantastic for brain tissue, help boost this natural fertilizer. This means that during your sleep, when your brain is in repair mode, the compounds from mangoes are helping to nourish the very soil of your brain, making it a richer environment for your neural networks to thrive, rebuild, and strengthen the pathways where your memories live. It's like giving your brain's garden the perfect, nutrient-rich compost every single night. Our third fruit is a classic, often praised for keeping the doctor away and for your sleeping brain. It acts as a master conductor and a cellular janitor. Let's talk about the apple, specifically with its skin on. Apples are an excellent source of a flavonoid called quercetin. Quercetin is a remarkable compound for protecting brain cells from damage. But the real star of the show in apples, particularly for the brain cleansing that happens during sleep, is a lesser-known nutrient called ursolic acid, found concentrated in the apple peel. Ursolic acid has been shown to promote the process of autophagy. Now, that's a big word, but its meaning is beautiful, self-eating. It sounds strange, but autophagy is your body's built-in recycling and cleanup program. Inside every brain cell, there are old, damaged parts and accumulated waste proteins. One of the hallmarks of aging and cognitive decline is that this cleanup process becomes less efficient. The trash piles up and starts to interfere with the cell's function. This waste buildup is also implicated in diseases like Alzheimer's. Ursolic acid from apple peels helps to turn the autophagy process back on. It signals your brain cells to take out the trash. So, while you're in deep, restorative sleep and your brain's lymphatic system, its sewage system, is flushing out fluid-based toxins from between cells, the ursolic acid is working inside the cells, ensuring the internal machinery is being cleaned and refurbished. This one-two punch external flushing and internal recycling is crucial for maintaining clear, sharp, and efficient brain function. An apple a day, especially before bed, might just be the signal your brain needs to conduct its most thorough nightly cleanse and repair session. Now, you might be wondering about the how and the when. This isn't about turning your diet upside down or eating pounds of fruit every day. It's about strategic, joyful inclusion. For the blueberries, aim for a half to a full cup most days. Frozen are fantastic. They're often frozen at peak ripeness and retain all their power. You can stir them into some plain yogurt or oatmeal in the evening, or simply have them as a sweet snack after dinner. For the mango, about a cup of fresh chunks is perfect. Enjoy it as a dessert. Blend it into a smoothie earlier in the day, maybe with some spinach and a bit of ginger, or even try it sliced with a sprinkle of lime. Remember, the goal is to have these nutrients in your system as you wind down for the night, so consuming them within a few hours of bedtime is ideal. And for the apple, the classic advice holds profound truth. One medium apple with the skin on in the evening is perfect, maybe with a small handful of walnuts or a dab of almond butter for some healthy fats and protein to keep you satiated. The synergy is beautiful. The blueberries and mangoes provide the direct repair materials and growth factor, while the apple helps ensure the work site is clean and clear for that repair to happen efficiently. I want to take a moment to speak directly to that little voice of doubt that might be saying, can it really be this simple? In a world of complex medical advice, it can feel surprising, but never underestimate the profound, daily power of consistent, nutrient-dense food. These fruits are not magic bullets, but they are powerful, science-backed tools in your holistic health toolkit. They work alongside other vital habits, staying socially connected, engaging your mind with new learning, managing stress through things like gentle walking or meditation, and of course, prioritizing that quality sleep itself. Think of these 3 fruits as the premium fuel and specialized repair kit you're providing for your brain's innate nightly restoration program. You are not a passive passenger in your cognitive health. Every bite is a choice, and tonight you can choose to send in the very best repair crew. So, as we wrap up our deep dive into these 3 amazing fruits, the regenerative blueberry, the nourishing mango, and the cleansing apple, I want you to feel empowered. You have this knowledge now. Tonight, you can start. Your journey to a sharper, more resilient brain doesn't require a drastic overhaul. It starts with one simple choice at your next meal or snack. Imagine yourself tonight, sleeping peacefully, while inside your amazing brain, a symphony of repair is taking place, fueled by the vibrant, natural compounds you kindly provided. You are actively participating in preserving your memories, your clarity, and your cognitive vitality. Thank you so much for spending this time with me here at the Prime Age Health Hub. If this conversation resonated with you, if it made you look at your fruit bowl a little differently, then please do me a huge favor, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow and reach other folks like us who are passionate about thriving in their prime years. And if you haven't already, subscribe and tap that notification bell. Every week, we dive into practical, science-backed strategies just like this, one to help you feel stronger, sharper, and more vibrant at every age. Now, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you tried incorporating any of these fruits into your evening routine? Have you noticed a difference in your sleep or your morning clarity? Let's start a conversation and share our experiences. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth, and it's never too late to invest in it. Until next time, be kind to your brain, nourish your body, and sleep well. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.